In a fast-paced work environment, you may find yourself sharing your space with forklifts, cars, vans, and trucks, which are constantly on the move all around you. Staying safe means you need to stay a step ahead. Here are 5 ways to stay safe when you're working around vehicles. Stay in your lane. Use people-only walkways and stay out of loading zones or areas where vehicles are turning. Be seen. Wear high-visibility vests and clothing so you can be seen by drivers. Keep your distance around forklifts. It can be hard for forklift drivers to see people on foot. Avoid their blind spots. Never stand behind, beside, or 45 degrees to both the left and right of their vehicle. Never stand in front of forklifts. Forklift drivers can't easily see over their machines and the loads they may be carrying. Never stand near the back of a forklift. When forklifts turn, they swing out from the back like a fish's tail. Communicate with drivers. If you need to cross a vehicle's path, use hand signals and make eye contact so you know they've seen you. If in doubt, wait for them to give you a signal before stepping out. Most importantly, always remain cautious anytime you're near forklifts, cars, vans, or trucks. If you have any questions or see anything unsafe, talk to your supervisor. By staying alert and aware, you can go home safe at the end of the day. For more workplace safety tips, free tools, and checklists, visit WSPS.ca or check out our YouTube channel.